that's supposed to be Congress that should be blamed. When you prepare for an event, syempre, nandiyan na naman yung mga funds niya. It all boils down kasi right now, I think ang ginagawa natin, we're all pointing fingers. At the end of the day, pag inisip natin, ang reputasyon ng bansa ang nakasalalay rito. We try to see na we're Filipino hospitality, ibang hospitality ng Filipinos. So right now, instead of focusing muna tayo sa mga inefficiencies, mga pagkukulang, let's focus on how we can improve it. Iisang bansa lang tayo. Let's show them what Filipinos are. Also, kung may kailangan ng tulong, andito naman po ang Congress. I'm sure all the other government agencies are there to help. Yung mga comments, hold muna po natin. I'm sure after the SEAG Games, I think there are a lot of people who will be filing for investigations on what really happened in the SEAG Games. So wait na lang po natin yun. We'll just make people who are accountable.